Are you okay, sir?
Yes, I am perfectly fine.
I am very sorry today.
You hit my back bumper.
The road is very slippery.
Is your car still working?
Yes, the engine runs fine.
Let us park right here.
I will move my car.
We must call the police.
Do we need them now?
For the insurance paperwork.
I have my insurance card.
Please show it to me.
Here is the blue card.
Let me take a photo.
My name is Mark Smith.
I am Tom. Hello, Mark.
The damage is very small.
Only a small red scratch.
I will pay the cash.
No, let the insurance pay.
The police car is coming.
Let us talk to them.
I have my driving license.
Hello, I need a truck.
Is your car broken down?
Yes, it will not start.
Where are you right now?
I am on Main Street.
What color is your car?
It is a white car.
Are you in safe place?
Yes, near the bus stop.
I will send a truck.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes from now.
How much is the tow?
It is exactly $50.
Do you accept paper cash?
Yes, give cash to driver.
Where will you take it?
To the nearest repair shop.
Is the shop open now?
Yes, they work all day.
The truck is here now.
The driver is my brother.
He is hooking my car.
Call us if you need.
Thank you for fast help.
Excuse me, I need help.
What happened to your car?
I have a flat tire.
Do you have a spare?
Yes, it is in trunk.
Let me help you out.
Thank you. You are kind.
We need a car jack.
Here is the heavy jack.
Put it under the car.
I am lifting it up.
Now remove the metal nuts.
They are very tight today.
Use this long, heavy wrench.
The old tire is off.
Bring the new spare tire.
This tire is very heavy.
Put it on the wheel.
I am tightening the nuts.
Lower the car down slowly.
The car is on ground.
Make the nuts very tight.
The tire is fixed now.
Drive slowly to a shop.
Thank you for saving me.
Hello, I had a crash. Are you hurt right now? No, I am totally safe. What is your policy number? It is 1, 2, 3. When did the crash happen? It happened 1 hour ago. Whose fault was the crash? The other driver hit me. Did you call the police? Yes, they wrote a report. Do you have his name? His name is Tom Black. Did you take any photos? Yes, on my mobile phone. Please send them to me. I am sending them now. I see the broken door. Will you pay for it? Yes, insurance covers the cost. Where do I fix it? Go to our partner shop. I will drive there tomorrow. We will handle the rest. Thank you for your support.
Hello, my car is dead.
What is the problem today?
My battery is completely empty.
Did you leave lights on?
Yes, all night long, sadly.
I can jump your car.
Do you have jumper cables?
Yes, thick red and black.
Please park near my car.
I am opening the hood.
My hood is open too.
Connect the red cable first.
Red is on the plus.
Now connect the black cable.
Black is on the minus.
I will start my engine.
Your engine is running loud.
Wait for 1 full minute.
I am waiting right here.
Try to start your car.
The engine is working now.
Keep it running for long.
I will drive around block.
Remove the cables very carefully.
You are a lifesaver.